sit down, sit down. How are you all? Okay. In previous class, we will discuss about MS Word tables formatting. Okay. MS Word tables. Okay. What is tables in MS Word? Tables is combination of rows and columns. Okay. Now in previous class we discuss about cell. In a table, what is cell? What is cell? Raise your hand. What is cell? Small boxes are tables. Just think each. Now tell me how many columns are there? Four columns are there. Which one? Vertical cell. This one vertical cell. And how many rows are there? Three. All of you. How many? Three. Three rows are there. Okay. Now this small box is called what? Cells. This small box called cells. Okay. Cell. Now previously we discussed how to insert data in a cell. How to insert a data in a cell? Anyone? How to insert? Put the mouse pointer on the cell where you want to enter data. Okay? Mouse pointer means this is what? This arrow symbol is your mouse pointer. Okay? If I want to enter data here, what to do? Move the mouse pointer on the cell and left click. Then the cursor is appear here. Okay? Then whatever things 1, 2, 3 you write, the data is entered on it. Okay? Now tell me how to select a cell. How to select a cell? Previously I taught you. How to select a cell?
Triple click inside the cell.
Triple click inside a cell. Okay, very good. You put the mouse pointer here and triple click. Triple click which click? Left click. Okay, on your mouse. Triple left click on your mouse. This cell is selected. Now tell me how to select a row. How to select a row? Anyone? Only you. And what about others? How to select a row? How to select?
Click on the margin of the row.
Click on the left side of that margin of that row. Then simple left click. Okay. You put the mouse pointer. Just assume I select this row. Okay. This second row. What to do? See, move the mouse pointer on the margin of that row. Okay. Left side. Then put this mouse pointer left side of that row margin. Then click on left click. Okay, on your mouse. Got it? Okay. What other things? Now tell me how to select this whole table. How to select whole table? You? Plus sign. This is called move handle. Okay, move handle of the table. You see there is a plus type symbol. Okay, this type of symbol. Then what to do? Pointer on that move handle. Then left click on it. Then left click. Okay, the whole table is selected. Got it? Okay. And what? How to select a column? How to select a column? This column. How to select?
Click on the mouse pointer on the top of the column.
Top of the cell. Okay, column. Very good. If I select this column, put the mouse pointer top of that column, then click on it. Left click on it. Then the column is selected. Okay. What we learn? How to select a cell, how to select a row, how to select a column, and how to select a table. Okay, got it? Now come to the inserting columns and cells. Now I want to insert a new column this time. What to do? How to select? just assume A, B, C, D are the column name in the table. Okay, but I want to insert a new column here between B and C. What to do? First you select, I want to put a new column left of the B, right of the B. What to do? First select this column and go to which place? Go to layout tab. In your ribbon, in your table, there is many options. Home tab, there is a home tab, then layout tab, then many other tabs are there. First you select this table column row, then go to layout tab, then there is a option. What is it? Insert table. Okay, insert row. There is a option insert. Okay, there is option another right of insert left and insert right. Okay, insert left or insert right. Okay, insert left and insert right. When you click on insert left, the column is inserted from, if you select this column, when you insert left, then the new column is inserted here. Okay, between A and B. When you insert right, the new column is inserted in B of right. Okay, now come to insert row. Okay, what is the row? This one, just assume 1, 2, 3. There is 3 row. I want to insert a new row, bottom of that row. What to do? There is an option in row case. There is an option insert row case. There is an option insert above. Insert above and insert below. Okay. When I insert a row, hey listen. When I insert above that row, above that 2 number row, the row is placed where? Between 1 and 2. Because I select this row and insert above of that row, that means the row is appear here. Okay, new row is inserted here. When I insert below, what happened? I select this row, I insert below of that row, that means a row is created here. Okay, this is insert above, insert below. Okay, and column is insert left and right. Got it?